Managing employees shouldn't feel chaotic. Yet, for many growing companies, HR still means spreadsheets, emails, and manual approvals. In this video, we're taking you inside a modern HRM portal to show how employee management, attendance, leave, payroll, and administration all work together in one streamlined system. The outcome? Less manual effort, higher accuracy, and end-to-end visibility across HR operations. Everything begins with the dashboard, the command center of the HRM system. Here, HR teams and leadership get a real-time overview of attendance, employee activity, pending approvals, and key workforce KPIs, all visible in a single view. Comment below. How long does it take your team to know who's present today, who's on leave, and what needs approval? Now imagine accessing all of that instantly from one dashboard. The job desk acts as a centralized workspace, giving a summarized view of critical HR data. At the core of the system is employee management. Each employee has a complete digital profile with personal information, role details, salary structure, attendance logs, and leave history. All records are centralized, secure, and always up to date. If someone asked for an employee's complete life cycle data right now, could you retrieve it in seconds? With this system, you can. Beyond employee records, the HRM portal also enables appraisal and performance management. Performance is tracked using structured review cycles, defined goals, daily activity reports, and measurable outputs. Managers can view multiple KPIs at once: productivity, attendance patterns, task completion, and performance trends, all from a single performance dashboard. The system also supports bulk employee import, making onboarding faster and simplifying migration from legacy systems. Leave management is fully automated. Employees apply for leave through the portal, managers approve or reject requests instantly, and leave balances update automatically. Employees can punch in and punch out through the system, while HR teams can review daily, monthly, or yearly attendance summaries through attendance analytics dashboards. The platform also supports biometric integration via APIs, allowing attendance data to sync directly from biometric devices, ensuring accuracy and eliminating proxy attendance. Attendance data can be manually imported when required, and managers can export detailed attendance reports instantly, making audits and payroll processing seamless. Or remote and hybrid teams, the system records geolocation and IP data during attendance, adding an extra layer of transparency and accountability. Attendance data can be manually imported when needed, and managers can export detailed reports instantly, perfect for audits and payroll preparation. Automated payroll ensures accurate payslips and eliminates manual errors. The HRM portal also includes asset management, allowing organizations to assign, track, and manage company assets across teams and employees. Administrators can define user roles, manage departments, assign work shifts, configure holidays, view organizational structure, and customize the system to match business workflows. This is what modern HR looks like: structured, transparent, automated, and scalable. It replaces manual work with clarity and control. If your organization is ready to move beyond outdated HR processes, a custom HRM system like this can transform how you operate. And if you're looking to build a scalable HRM portal tailored to your business, Alia IT Solutions is a strong choice to make it happen.